Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will teach you how to make a basic workflow on n8n. So kindly do open this website n8n.io, and if you are the first timer here, so kindly click on sign in, then start a free trial. Here you can fill the details like I'm filling my details. You can put your email address. You can confirm your email address. So let me confirm it. Okay. And after putting your email address, you can create a password from your side. So it's better choose your own. Create a password. Okay. And then give here account name. Let us say I am giving name Nirmal for 2. Okay, so here I have filled the details. Let me sign up, start for 14-day free trial. Okay, now here are some questions that N8N will ask, so you can click as per your convenience. Okay, it asks about the company details, your how many employees do work in the company. Okay, and a few other basic questions, so you can click from your side. Okay, so like this and like this. All right, so skip this step, and our workspace will be ready to create a workflow. Start automating. Okay, here we go. We'll be getting a page where you can create workflow. Okay, so this is how it looks. Fine. And you can click on create workflow. Okay, so this is how you will see. And as I already told in the previous lectures that you need to perform drag and drop operation here. All elements and components are present. So my goal here is to create a simple chatbot using n8n. So what I'm going to do here is you can see on this particular workflow add first step. So click on add first step. On right hand side you will get so many options like trigger manually, on app event, on a schedule, on webhook call, on form submission. So they do have their own operations and their importance. What we are going to do is you click on chat message that will run flow when a user sends a chat message. So what I need to do is I need to create a chatbot, like, so I will be sending a message to the AI model. So let's click on chat message. Okay, so this is how it looks. And if we go back to the canvas without doing any kind of changes, let's get back to the canvas. So here you can see this is a chat message node. Okay, so what I can do is let me double click again and go to the settings, and here let me put a note chat uh, box. Okay, and display on the flow. Fine. Get back to the canvas. Here you can see chat box. Also, you can edit this when chat message received. So click here and rename. You can write. Put message here. Okay. So you can customize from your side. Put message here. Fine. Okay. Then here you can see I need to add. So obviously someone is going to receive these messages. So let me click here on plus. And what I can add is here are the option. Let me click on AI. So after clicking on AI, you will get an option that is AI agent. So click on AI agent. Okay. And I'm not looking forward to do any changes. However, you can see the parameters connected to a chat trigger node. Okay. And you'll get a prompt message, user message to whom it is connected. Here are the settings. Okay. So like at the moment, you do not have to do any changes. Get back to the canvas. All right, fine. So this is what you are going to get an AI agent here. It comprises of three connections like chat model, memory, and a tool. So chat model you can pick up from your side, like these are the AI models which you can take. For example, let me take a Google Gemini chat model. Okay, so I clicked on that, and here are some credentials which you need to input, like create a new credential. And obviously, if I need to use a LLM, I require an API. So you can get your API from get API key Google AI Studio. So it's better like you can search on the Google like my Gemini API key. You will get this Google AI Studio. Okay, fine. And like here is the API key. So you can click on it. You can copy and here you can paste. Fine. So this will be your API key. Save it. Fine. Done. After that, you can select your model. Okay. So like let me take a model Gemini 1.5 Flash. Okay. And fine. That's it. I can go back to the canvas. Next, what you can do is you can add a memory. So here we are adding a basic memory, like a simple memory. Okay, so no credentials are required here. So add a basic memory, nothing to do here. Let me go back. Okay, and in this basic memory, you are having a context length. If I double click on it, you can see like it is having a context window of length of 5. So whatever be the communication happens, it can save it till up to 5 as a limit. Okay, that is the window limit. Fine. So 5 communications with the LLM. That's what it can keep it in the memory. Fine. We are not going to do anything in the settings, no name and something like that. So get back to the canvas. Here I'm not adding any of the additional tool from my side. Like you can add multiple tools that we are going to see ahead in the upcoming sessions. Fine. So I think that's all from my end. What I need to do now, you can save this workflow with the name demo, like as per your choice. Okay, you can add a tag. You can add a tag from your side also. One, okay, like a demo one. Okay, I'm just keeping any name here. Okay, fine. That's it. And do one thing. Do one thing. Now your this workflow is ready. Open chat. Click on open chat. Okay, and type a message here. Hello. Okay, and you can see your message went to the AI agent where your LLM is present, where memory is present. Okay, and this is what output you got. Hello there, how can I help you today? So now you have built an AI agent. It's a chatbot, and you are communicating with it. So you can type any message. What can you do? Okay, fine. Again, the LLM will answer. Okay, I can do a lot of things. Like here you can see. Okay, here you can see all the results, all the outputs. You can ask any questions, any prompt you can give. Okay, can you tell me about AI agents? Okay, fine. So here you can see all these are executing fine. The message I've given to the AI agent. It gave it to the Gemini model, and the Gemini model is giving you the results. Here you can see AI agents are autonomous entities, and all the reply has been given by the your Gemini chat model via like this AI agent. Fine. So this is your basic workflow as a chatbot, which is built over AI agent. So that's all for this tutorial. In the upcoming tutorials, we are going to make many other different workflows and learn about AI agents automation. Thank you very much. Kindly do like and subscribe to the channel.